Magandang araw sa lahat. The YouTube channel of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Limbas Law Corner is back to once again render public service in the field of law o itong aming pagbabahagi ng kaunting kaalaman sa larangan ng batas, brought to you by the Limbas Marangal Eagles Club of the Eastern Rizal Region 2 sa pamamagitan ng inyong lingkod ng isa namang abogado at profesor sa maraming law school sa ating bansa. Okay, kahapon may nangonsulta. Kasi yung akusado already convicted at nasa kulungan na syempre. At ang penalty ay pagkakulong na 8 taon hanggang 17 years. So isa sa mga pinag-uusapan namin, maaari pa bang makapagpiyansa? Well, ang sagot ikonbiktado na yan. Kaya bail is no longer a matter of right, but a matter of discretion. Of course, yung kaso ay pending appeal kasi nakapag-file naman sila agad-agad ng notice of appeal sa Regional Trial Court. So, saan mag-file ng application for bail? Pwede bang sa Regional Trial Court where the accused was convicted? Pwede pa. So long as the record is still with the trial court, meaning not yet transmitted to the Court of Appeals. Once the record is already transmitted to the Court of Appeals, then it is the appellate court this time who will determine whether the convicted accused can still be allowed to post bail. But I repeat, bail is a matter of discretion na rito kasi nakonbikto siya ng Regional Trial Court at ang kaparusahan ay 8 years to 17 years na pagkakulong. Maraming salamat. Sana nakapaglingkod na naman itong Limbas Marangal Eagles Club of the Eastern Rizal Region 2. Magandang araw sa lahat.